everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to your channel. Y'all know me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Haley. Thank you so much for clicking to this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the thumbs up button for this video. Don't forget to turn on the bell notifications because that alerts you every single time I post a video. The moment I post it, our videos aren't the first ones to pop up, so in order for you to see me consistently, just hit that bell notification. So in today's video, it's really quick and short. I want to talk to you guys about what's gonna be like what you should be looking forward to in my channel. So I had an idea, well, that's the problem, I have too many ideas of new content for more videos. So what I decided to do was take pieces of paper and write down all my video ideas, and I wrote them on these little slips right here. Oh shit, these little slips right here. Now there's 11 of these slips. I have it inside my Sephora bag. The 11 slips in here, it looks dirty in there, but so what I'm gonna do for the next 11 videos is I'm going to have this little intro where I pick out whatever mystery it is, and these slips range from beauty videos to cooking to vlogs to exercising. I have a whole bunch of different options on there, so that's the fun part of playing like this like little Russian roulette of what video I should do next. I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet, but I'll think of something. If you follow me on Instagram at HaleyAlexa, you'll be more updated on what I'm trying to do with this. So like I said, I'm gonna pick out a little thing and say this is the one I do for the video. Well, actually, I'll do this. This is the one I'll do for my next video, the slip. So whatever's on the slip, this is what we're gonna do. And it says, wow. Okay, so CJ does not like to be recorded, and he doesn't like to be on camera because then he just feels weird, and you know, no pressure. Everyone, you know, I still feel a little uncomfortable sometimes when I'm on camera, but the next video is going to be the who's most likely to. I don't know if you guys can see that. Ignore my handwriting, but it's who's most likely to, and I put with CJ because I'm gonna do with him. So the next video, it should be a fun little challenge of me and CJ asking I'll probably do like 10 questions of who's most likely to, and I'll explain the rules of that game in that video. So please stay tuned. I'm gonna try to upload one video every week. I don't know what day I'm gonna upload, but there should be 11 videos coming from my channel. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification and stay tuned.